Hello. Different camera today. Our GoPro decided not to charge last night, so it's completely dead. But that's okay. We do have both of the door handles in. It's nice to have interior door handles again. They are still a bit flimsy. I'm a bit scared to really haul on it. I guess it works, but we're going to reprint the final copy out of ABS. This is just PLA because it's easier to print and cheaper. We've successfully made a mirror image. We got the passenger side and we have the driver's side over yonder. So they both seem to work pretty well. Way cheaper than buying the other ones. Even at this point, cheaper than buying the cheap knockoff Chinese ones that probably would break sooner. Probably going to do a little bit more editing on them before we print them out of ABS. I want to make this piece thicker. It just still has just a little too much give for my liking. Granted, the ABS will be stronger, but we're going to make it thicker anyway. And then I think I'm going to take this whole mounting point here, and I'm going to basically lengthen this little tab. I'm going to move this mounting tab. Basically, the latch is connected to this cable, or I can't words today. That thing. Anyway, it's got a spring-loaded mechanism on it, so it wants to pull the handle all the way closed, which is fine. But why would it be closed? I would rather it sit like this, so you can really put your hand in there and yank on it, pull it. Also, it does look like it almost hits right there, just a little bit, and I think that's partially due to it mounting, like here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this top piece and I'm going to rotate it so it holds the bar right there, or as close to there as I can, but then it holds the handle straight. So then I get all of the free motion here. I can move it as much further, and hopefully it'll make it easier to grab, so you don't have to like fiddle with it to get it to come out. And then the other thing I think I'll do is I will extend the bottom of this base down to the same level as this. That way, for one, it'll make the printing easier. I won't need so many supports up here on the underside, but two, I have all this space here. I might as well, make the backing plate come down. So again, it's not a pinch point right here, you get your finger stuck in there. The next thing we're going to make, I would like to have a pull handle so we can grab here and actually pull the handle or pull the door closed without sticking your hand inside, the door like that. So we do potentially have some room here. We could put like a nut and a bolt. I don't know if I really want to do that because it's really close to the regulator for the window. So I may find a different place to mount it to. And that's about it. Yeah. Yep. So we'll see you tomorrow.